Today we are making some leftover meal prep. I had some Basa fillets in my freezer that was sitting there for far too long. We'd make some good use of all these Basa fillets and make a Thai coconut cream lime Basa curry. I'm gonna put all of these ingredients in there. So we're gonna first start with sauteing our onions, ginger and garlic and jalapenos. Gonna add some lime juice, some fish sauce to that, and then we're gonna chuck it in the oven with the fish in. We're gonna season the fish lightly and we are gonna cook that away. We also got some rice cooking in the background. For garnishing, we're gonna just use some Sichuan chili crisp, some coriander and scallions as well, green onion. We've peeled 2 brown onions, cut them in half. Now, instead of cutting it in rings like this, we are going to chop both ends off and cut them long-sided like this. I think the presentation of this in a Thai red curry is much better than cutting them in rings. But long, thin pieces like this, which work better with our dish today. Onions done. Gonna just put them into our bowl, ready to saute later. Time to chop up our garlic and ginger. So we just want thin slices like that for our garlic. Now we're going to do the ginger as well. We'll just cut them into pieces like this. We're going to stack them like so and do little matchsticks. That's it. Guys, we have sliced our ginger and garlic. We're just going to put that in our pan. Next, we will thinly slice our jalapeno. We're leaving seeds and all in this dish. We want to maintain a bit of spice. Add that to our bowl. We're getting our kitchen Bunsen burner back in and we're going to fry up these aromatics. We have got our pan heating with a little bit of peanut oil. I'm going in with our onion, jalapeno, ginger and garlic mix. We're going to lightly toast these, lightly saute. We still want to have a little bit of texture for these. So okay, we have lightly sweated our ingredients in the pan. I think we are going to go with our baby corn spears next. These have been going for a good couple of minutes. Give them the last mix. We're going to add our fish sauce and coconut cream. And let's actually season this as well. Don't forget to season. Sometimes I may forget to season, but you don't forget to season, please. Good. So fish sauce goes in now. I'm going to add roughly maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons. Oh, that smells like ass, but it's going to taste better than ass. Not that I would know. Alright, we've got our coconut cream. Going with that oil as well. 1 can of coconut cream, 1 can of baby spears. Our mixture is searing away. We're going to add half a litre of water with about 3 tablespoons of vegetable stock powder. Let's make that 1 litre of water with 3 tablespoons of Vegeta. We're going to simmer this and let it reduce slightly. You want to achieve a light simmer just like this. Make sure you've already preheated your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to zest a lime. I'm going to put half the juice of the lime in now and half when it comes out. So we've got the lime zest here as well. We're going to add that too. We're going to simmer this for 2 more minutes. We're going to transfer the liquid into our final pan and put our fish in there to poach in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish becomes flaky. Okay, we've got our ingredients our curry. So we've got the curry that was in our saucepan. We've transferred it over to a roasting tray. We're going to just nestle in all of our fish right in. I've cut these into half just so we can save on a bit of space, as I've got 8 of them. So no doubt that some of these are going to be sitting on top of each other. We've got all of our fish nestled in, as you can see. We're going to add the rest of our lime juice, and we're also going to add a parchment paper on top. This is so that excess liquid doesn't escape, and since some of our fish are already on top, to make sure that they all get submerged and they're always in contact with some liquid. There we go. In the oven it goes, 180 degrees. I did say 10 to 15 minutes, but I have a feeling a big tray like this is going to take a little bit longer than that. So we'll update you as we go. Our fish is almost finished poaching. We are going to prepare a garnish. We're going to thinly slice these green onions. This is just for a garnish and some added onion flavour. Pizzazolinko. We are going to get our rice and we're going to spoon this over. Basa fillets poached in Thai lime curry. How good is that? Thanks for sticking around, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to make this. This is fire.